Welcome to Alex's Skill Channel. Today we will explore homemade wood sawing machines. These are unique creations from talented carpenters, which will definitely bring you new ideas. Let's walk together. If you find this video interesting, please like and subscribe so you don't miss the next videos. First, the wood saw was homemade from 2 bullock cart wheels and a powerful 3-phase electric motor. The sturdy frame and extremely flexible slats cut wood extremely quickly and beautifully. Great! Please admire it with me. What an unbelievable idea! Beautiful blue frame, extremely sturdy, homemade saw with circular blade that can cut wood vertically or horizontally as desired. Look, that tongue moves very gently. There are round wood saw blades here and there, but this version looks sturdier than the first version with round soldering iron wheels. It is suitable for small and short logs. Square wood sawing machine in the forest with horizontal and vertical circular saw blade and oil-powered explosive head. In just a few minutes the saw finished cutting the log. The 2 opposite blade wood saw is driven by an extremely powerful and fast diesel engine transmission system. The handheld wood saw has been improved to be placed horizontally to cut small pieces of wood in small quantities without requiring too much technique. That's also a great idea. But I think it should be improved a bit to make it more convenient, such as fixing a log. Does anyone have any other comments? Mini but extremely effective circular wood saw. Don't underestimate their small form. This is another saw used to cut wood. This time the saw is stationary, only the wood moves. Still a handheld wood saw, but this time for those who like to stand upright to work. The perfect combination of a hand saw with a lawn mower handle. The rest is just enough and go. The machine is made from a main engine lawnmower. These homemade wood sawing machines not only show creativity but also bring high efficiency in work. From simple handsaws to modern circular saws, all can become useful tools when built properly. If you find this video useful and interesting, please like, share and subscribe to Alex's Skill Channel. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you don't miss the latest videos. See you in the next video.